Bigger picture, folks, not much has changed. I mean, for the most part, we've been just grinding around up here now for the better part of a month. So my opinion, I'm still looking forward to how the market declines and then bounces off there. This region is what is going to tell us how to trade as we go into 2026 and even well beyond. The only way I'm going to be adopting a higher high is if the blue count plays out. In other words, a bigger pullback followed by a clear 5-wave rally, thereafter followed by a clear corrective pullback. You give me a 1-2 structure after the bigger B wave pullback, then I will go long for a C wave. Until that happens, I have a very high degree of cash in my accounts. Let's look at the 60-minute chart. Not much more showing there other than the granular potential that we are going to get a higher high here, but the basic premise remains the same. We're just a little more focused in on it here. Note that we went from the support region to, again, the resistance region. Doesn't mean we can't continue here. And at this point in time on the ES chart, as long as we're going to stay over this pivot and not break down this pivot in an impulsive fashion, and I underline impulsive, 5 waves, then I'm still expecting we're going to complete the 5-wave C wave for the yellow count, giving us a higher 5th wave. If we break down correctively below there, then I have to look at this as an ending diagonal, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But if we break down impulsively, it means we have a top here in what is likely, more likely, a B wave rather than a 2. This structure just seems much too large to be a wave 2 of this wave 1. It just seems way too large. It's much more likely, even if we break down in an impulsive structure, that would more likely be a B wave. The question then is, how deep would it go? Because we've come back up to the highs, we may only get a retest of the 65.50 region. If we see a sustained break of that 65.50 region, then the 63.60 region of support comes in next. I'm not seeing anything that's telling me we're going to get as deep as 63.60 at this point in time, but things can develop. Again, bigger perspective, I'm looking for this to finally complete and then give us a larger degree pullback, the nature of which this area here will tell us how to treat the market as we go into 2026.